Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Harshita and in today's video I'm going to be reacting to my followers' reasons to choose law as a career. It's just a fun video, so let's get to it. So I put up a little question box on my Instagram where I asked my followers to tell me their reasons, what got them into law. One of the most common answers was TV shows, and you guys know what TV show am I talking about. Of course, it's Suits.
Life is this. I like this.
Yes, so many of y'all answered it's Suits. There are so many students who get into law just because of Suits. So yes, Suits is one of them. Another TV show that y'all answered was How to Get Away with Murder. Well, I did watch the first season of How to Get Away with Murder, but then it did not seem to attract my interest. So I think I left it in season 2, but I think I'm gonna give it another try. So one of y'all answered that it is a very prestigious career, has diverse scope. A lot can be done for human welfare through law. I'm not going to deny to that at all. Yes, it is a very diverse career. Once you get into law, you can take up any type of law that you are interested in, and there are various areas of specialization. So yes, it is a very diverse field, and yes, it is very prestigious. Having advocate or justice before your name is very honorable. So yes, and yes, of course, welfare of the nation. You can help so many people by choosing law. So yes, another common response that you all gave me for choosing law as a career was CS. Yes, I've heard a lot of people say that CS and LLB is a very good combination for a person to take up, but I've not researched upon it. I too was suggested to do CS and LLB, but I never explored that area, so I'm not quite sure. So some of you all said, and I quote, "Pata nahi Bhagwan jane." Well, there are many people who don't know what got them into law and why are they actually doing law. And law is a very intense course, so many people do get frustrated and think that why did I even take up law as a career. But I think it's worth it. I couldn't imagine myself doing anything else. I think somewhere along the lines it was the same for me. I always thought of myself as doing law, but it was only after class 11 that I took it seriously. To be very honest, luck and by chance. Yes, luck can be very important. Papa ka disappointment, my parents typically got me into law. There are a lot of students that take up law only because their parents tell them to, or that they've seen their parents become lawyers. I also have some friends who took up law because their parents are lawyers, and I think parents do play a very significant role, especially when they themselves are in the field of law. Medical nahi karna tha, law mein kaise hai, no idea. Got more marks in CLAT than NEET. Honestly, I think this is normal because there are a lot of students that shift to law after taking up science. In law school, I do have classmates that took up science but are now doing law. So I think it is very normal. Sheer love for it and the ability to be able to make a difference. I think this is a very common goal for many law students out there. Most of us want to make a difference in the world, and law is a direct connection to the society. So yes, by taking up law, you can directly impact the society. Had nothing to do. Okay, even if you don't have anything to do, taking up law is a very courageous option. Law is tiring and intense, so if you're being able to manage it without actually wanting to do it, then kudos to you. Topper crush. Well, I think inspiration can come from anywhere, so good for you. For my daughter's future and a safer society for her future, well, I'm not at all going to deny to that. We all want a safer society and all of us are doing our bits in some way or the other. Had a little bit of interest and confidence for this, although it was not the final goal in my life. I don't think each and every person knows what their final goal in life is going to be. So, one step at a time. Passion to become a judge. Being a judge is a very respectable position, so I hope you make a lot of difference through it.
My ex.
Okay, I hope you get your revenge. The fact that I'm the first person in my family to pursue law. Well, all the best for that. You may face some difficulties because you do not have any legal background, but just be your best. Did not want to get into any other field, honestly. Having a clear goal in mind from the start is a very good thing. Not into law, but you're very informative, and I appreciate that a lot about you sharing. Thank you so much, really means a lot. Like I said, everyone is doing their bit to bring a change to the society, and this is one part of my bit, an interesting NGO project. That's a very interesting response. I've never heard that before, but it can be possible because when you're working in an NGO, you see very underprivileged people and you want to help them. So yes, if by doing law you can help them in some way, good luck to you. My own personal family issues, which eventually moved to the family court, and my interest began at that. That's a very close experience to seeing what law actually is. That can actually bring about the feeling of doing law. Voice of the heart, okay, that's a new response.
I don't know what to say to that.
Police officers. me and my friend and even beat us just to get some bribe money. I think it happens very often, so at that point it is very important to know your laws and your rights, and doing law is one way to ensure that you know your rights. This is also one of the reasons why I put up legal content, so that people actually know their basic rights. I want people to know about their basic rights, especially the vulnerable ones. Same, it is very important for you to know your basic rights. So even if you're not in the field of law, make sure you do know them so that you're not exploited. Legal studies in class 11th landed me in law school. Kudos on your videos, they really helped me. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that I'm being able to impact your lives and motivate you to do something good. Dad, like I said, parents do have a very significant role in their kid's life, and it is very likely for a child to do something that the parent desires. The college next to me inspired me to go for it. I've never really heard that before, but it seems interesting. My ex-best friend. Okay, so I've got a lot of responses pertaining to friends, exes, or ex-best friends. I'm sure the people in your life have a lot of influence, and that you actually fulfill the reason which got you into law in the first place. UPSC, yes, that's a common response. Many people want to do UPSC. So yeah, Lord Harvey supremacy. Yes, Suits and Harvey Specter have influenced many students to take up law. D.Y. Chandrachud supremacy. He is a very respectable man and he has given a lot of judgments that can actually bring a change to the society. So yes, passion plus knowledge. Yes, passion is very important for you to achieve something. The passion, the security, and of course the money. Yes, passion is important. And certain fields of law do pay very good. Studying pol science and finding it fascinating. Yes, the subjects that we study in school have a lot of impact in our careers because that's the base that we form. Challenges. Yes, law has a lot of challenges. I'm an engineer following your page. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. I hope you have been learning something. हुआ ये था कि लॉयर ने 2 घंटे वेट करवाया तो हम खुद ही लॉ में आ गए. Okay, I'm sure that must be very irritating. And this is a new way to find inspiration because it's interesting and it pays well. Nothing like a sob story that let me hear, just plain and simple. Yeah, of course, many people just want to do law because they find it interesting and they don't have any underlying reason to get into law. So yeah, wanting to work for queer people. Yes, that's an interesting response. Love for maths. Okay, this is something new. A person in law saying that they like maths is highly unlikely. I do not find many people in my law school that actually like maths. But good for you to change the thinking of people toward females and to stop crime towards females. Yes, that's a very natural response because we see so many incidents happening here and there and we do want to help in changing that. So yes, your account, not kidding, that means the world to me. To be able to impact someone's life by what I'm doing is a very happy moment for me and I'm so grateful that I could impact you in a good way, I hope. The reason that law is everywhere and it has no boundaries. Yes, law is everywhere. Every field that you go, you need to know the basic rights or the basic laws. And a lawsuit can happen in any type of business or an enterprise. So if you're meddled in that, having legal knowledge is very important. And your legal knowledge can be used anywhere at all. The respect, yes, there is a lot of respect that comes with the career of law and from being a lawyer. Thappad movie, crazy how a movie inspired me to do this. Well, you're not the first person. There are a lot of people who get inspired because of movies, TV shows and dramas. So that's about it for this video. I tried to cover as many responses as I could. If I couldn't get to yours, I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.